What's going on, everybody? It's Adam back here again with another video. So this video is going to be a series of them with a pretty large project I'm taking on. We purchased a house for a rental unit. It's a 3-bedroom house with a bath and a half. It's about 1,100 square feet. It's not too far from where we live. It's close to the schools. We're in a good area, good school system. I don't think we're going to have a problem renting it out. It's in really good condition. The house is basically move-in ready, but we want to do some changes to it. We want to paint and put some carpet down in some rooms. Some of the rooms have some older shag carpet, which is not very appealing. So we're going to do some of that work. We get the keys this afternoon. It's January 24th, and we're going to start working on it as soon as we can. Try to get this process done as fast as we can and get some renters in there as soon as we can. So this whole process, this whole video, I'm going to try to capture everything on there from start to finish. And let's see how this goes. So here's the first series of this video. So let's check it out. Alright, here's our new project. We just purchased this house. We're going to turn it into a rental. Doesn't need too much work. Hopefully get some stuff inside taken care of. Some carpet, odds and ends, and hopefully get somebody in here. Start renting it out. Let's take a look inside. There's the kitchen. He's already tearing it up.
I don't know how to get those plugs out.
I need on those pliers.
Needle those?
Yeah, just pull them. Another bedroom. Some sweet carpet. Check out this carpet. I don't think we're going to keep it. Bathroom's in great shape. All right, we're back here at the rental unit. We got some work done today. Not a lot of progress visually, but we got a lot of stuff done. Went through, replaced all the outlets. Let's see. Went through, put all new outlets in. They were the off-white color, 3 prongs, upside down. So we went through, replaced all of those. And we also took some shelves down, patched some holes in some walls, and we're getting ready to get some paint on the walls, brighten the place up, get it all cleaned up. The walls are kind of scuffed up. Went through and placed all the outlets in all the bedrooms. Bathroom's fine, we're not going to touch it. We started to paint this closet here just to see how it was going to look. I'm not sure we're going to go with that color or not. This room, we ended up finding out the ceiling was sagging, and you can see I did a number on this ceiling. The ceiling was so far down that an 1 5/8" screw wouldn't touch the trusses. So you can see over here I kind of made some Swiss cheese out of the ceiling. Once I found out that was a problem, after I propped it up with these legs and to get everything moved up, I ran through 2-foot center trusses and ran a series of screws in, and you can see where it did do some damage from where it did recess back up and the nails stayed where they were, causing some nail pops. So we have to fix this ceiling and get a coat of paint on that. Shouldn't be too bad. Another room, all new outlets, all white. It's coming along. We're getting there. Got it. We got it up for rent right now. Haven't had a lot of feedback. Get a lot of people calling, asking how much, how many bedrooms, how big is it, this and that. In the middle of the school year right now, I don't know if we'll get anybody to move in, but that's fine. We got a lot of work to do. Get some paint on, and then we also get some yard work done. It's about 50 degrees today. Be nice to get out there and at least clean some of these branches up. I don't like them rubbing on the house. I'd like to get some of those chopped down and clean up a little bit outside. Not too much, but I guess I got enough going on as it is. Cut some trees down today here at the rental. Got quite a bit here. Ended up trimming this tree up. Opened up the view of the house. Back here at the rental, cleaned up this pine tree. Also took down that bush in the corner of the house. Got quite a bit done. This is our second trailer load of brush and leaves and other stuff. We trimmed some of these branches on these trees up. Didn't like them right there, they're pretty low. There's also one on this side that was hanging over where the cars park. So we took that off. You can see this trailer is pretty loaded. Going to get some tie downs right now to secure all that so we can haul it back to our property and burn it. In the backyard we also did some cleaning up of some brush. You can see we took that branch off hanging over the patio. Eventually it was going to hang over the house and we didn't want to have to worry about it falling on the house. And then there's one over here, this larger one here on the left. We're going to take that down eventually. You can see what it's kind of doing to the ground here. It's keeping the grass from growing. It's probably keeping it wet. It's probably not the best thing to be next to the house like that. So we're going to get rid of that as well. Backyard cleaned up fairly well. We used the leaf blower, a backpack one, and got rid of all the leaves. Put them all back over into that corner right here on the right and picked them all up. There's a lot of debris in the yard, a lot of bags, got candy wrappers and that. Said the house was vacant for 3 years. Don't know if I believe that, but it's coming along. The inside's kind of hasn't changed much. We have inside's coming along. We haven't changed much on the inside. Waiting for a painter to come out and start painting. We got all the holes patched in the walls and ready for paint right now. So next video we'll show the inside with the painting done and hopefully all the new plate covers, doorknobs, and new carpet in the bedrooms. The next video. We're gonna attempt to get this load home with no straps on it. Alright, so there it is. First 4 days wrapped up in the books. Not a lot of work. Was very visual, but we got a lot of work done. Replacing the outlets, patching the holes in the walls, ripped out the carpet. Ended up being 2 layers of carpet. One was used as the padding, carpet on top of it. So we got all that ripped up, cleaned out, cleaned up the yard, trimmed a lot of trees, hauled a lot of brush home, and had to burn a lot of that stuff. But overall, we did knock out a lot of work in these last 4 days. So now the next series of videos, we'll take a look at the painting and other small steps we make to get this thing closer, to get some tenants in. So if you like these videos and want to continue to follow this series, subscribe, and also like this video if you liked it, to stay tuned with the rest of the series as we progress on and slowly get this thing wrapped up and get some tenants in. And as we get closer to get some tenants, I'm probably going to share some of the information and the steps that I went through to find the right tenants that fit what I'm looking for. Not that you can be selective that way, but as of qualification wise, good renter history and all of that. So stay tuned, like this video, and subscribe. Thanks.